Well, the largest slum in India reported its first coronavirus cases this week, despite a nationwide lockdown. With more than 1 million people in that community living in very close quarters, health officials fear a major surge in new cases. Neha Punya is tracking the story for us from New Delhi.
This is Asia's largest slum and certainly India's largest as well. And you have about 1 million people who live in an area that spreads about 5 square kilometers. This area is known for its narrow lanes. It's got ramshackle houses that are packed. You have about 7 to 8 people living in one small room. This area is also known for its inadequate health facilities. Nearly 70% of the residents who live in Dharavi use community toilets and community water taps. So you can imagine how routinely they're interacting with one another and how in such circumstances social distancing is simply not possible. Now, in these circumstances, in this locality, which is one of the most densely populated regions of India, 3 people have tested positive and 1 person has unfortunately died of coronavirus.
How can officials and what can they do to contain the spread of the virus there?
It is really difficult to enforce social distancing, which is where the concern of community transmissions has arisen. The Indian government maintains that the unchecked transmission of coronavirus from person to person has not started in India, but 2 of the people who tested positive in Dharavi did not have any travel history, which is why it's very important, experts say, for India to start testing everyone with symptoms. That's the only way, coupled with a lockdown, they say that India can defeat and contain the spread of coronavirus.
That's Neha Punya reporting from Delhi.